How to hide online status on Telegram. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily hide your online status on Telegram. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up the Telegram app. So let me just show you guys by logging into this account right here first. So as you can see here, I've just sent a random message here and it's showing me that this account is online. So if you want to hide this on your particular account, first thing you're going to have to do is open up your settings menu. Now once the settings is open, you will have to find your privacy and security settings. And now from here, scroll down and you'll be able to see last seen and online. Just tap on it. And once you tap on it, you could choose who can see my last scene. Make sure that this is set to nobody. And then on your online option, you could just change that as well. You could also hide your read time because hiding the read time when you read a message from people who can't see your last scene. If you turn this on, the read time will also be hidden from you unless you are a premium user. But you have to note that your last scene and online will always be visible for the Telegram premium users. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.